नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पर। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको दो सिंपल मैजिक ट्रिक्स करके दिखाने वाला हूँ जो आपको सच में हैरानी में डाल देंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो व्हाट वी गोना डू इज वी टेक अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ पेपर एंड वी कट अ स्ट्रिप हियर। So it should be broad enough for the magic trick, and now we have to join this end with this one, but simply we turn it once and now we stick it with the cello tape. First we have to draw a line starting from the any point in the center of the strip. So here you see the line joins itself, so it's also a illusion. Now the real magic is we have to cut this line with a scissor. What do you think will happen? You think there will become two rings, but actually you are wrong. Here the length of the ring is doubled. So how is this possible? Definitely you are thinking. So let's start second magic now. Here using this yellow sheet now. You have to join this end with this one like this, but simply turn it 2 times like 1, 2. Now join it here. Use a cello tape here like this. Now cut it from the center. Now you will think there will be 2 rings or the So here we go, and you will see the ring is interlocked. How is it possible? And but this video is going to be very small, so let's do something more crafty. So I will make something from a simple piece of paper. So you have to tell me in the comments what I am going to make in just simple 3 steps. So here first step is just fold it. Now it can stand like this. Now let's make some details. I have also made a small one. Here is here. And this one. This seems to be sad. You know why? Because you are not subscribing us. Please subscribe us, give a like if you like the video, and good luck.